What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2008 Suzuki GSX-R. This thing is all modded out. Blue and white rims, Michelin tires, it's got great tread on the tires, Yoshimura exhaust. It does sit a little low. I think the kickstand is a little bit bent, so you just need to put a new kickstand on if you want. Blue seat. It's all stickered out. This thing's super cool looking. It's got good tread on the front. Guys took a lot of money into this bike. It's got levers. It's got grips. This piece of the fairing is like kind of peeling away a tiny bit. And it does have a scratch right there on the tank. This is painted white. This is a little bit melted up in here. I don't know how that happened. It runs, it works perfectly fine. Like, obviously turn signal still works in the whole 9 yards, but just kind of goofy. 17,000 miles. Fires up right away. Hold up. Runs great. Got a little bit of peeling on the top gas cap right here. Not a giant deal. But like I said, guys, 2008 Suzuki GSX-R. It's got a whole bunch of mods to it. This bike's not going to last long, guys. People love these sport bikes. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.